thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. If you're new here, I basically come on here to talk, test, and review products that deal with the hair, skin, and the... hold down. I'm basically going to be doing a really quick, like 5-minute sleek bun tutorial for curly hair. I didn't use any products, I just used water, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. So before we get started, you guys are going to need a few supplies. First things first is you're going to need a water bottle. This is good for curly hair because you generally need this to style and get it ready. Second off, I have a comb here. As you can see, it has a sharp end, so we can use this to part our hair. Next off, you're going to need a hair tie of some kind. I bought this at Target and it's good for not making dents in your hair. Next, you're going to need a silk scrunchie. This is really good for curly hair and to avoid things like breakage in your roots and ends. Next off, you're going to need some bobby pins. Always going to need bobby pins. Alright, now it's time to spray that hair. I'm just going to go over the top half. I'm not really going to go too far on the ends. And just going to get that top area because that's what we're going to sleek back. So now you're just going to go in with that comb and comb your hair in whichever style you want. You can part it down the middle, part it down the left or the right side, whatever fits your face or whatever style you guys are going for. For me, I'm gonna go for this curved bang look. So as you can see, I'm using the end of that comb and just brushing my hair in the way that I want. And as you guys can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and comb the other side of my hair, creating a cleaner part in my roots, and just using that comb to brush everything back, swooping it down to create that sleek bun look. Combing down the other side as well. And combing that hair back. Alright guys, so next step is the hair tie. Now as you guys can see, I'm just going to be pulling my hair back kind of towards the bottom part of my head to create that low bun look. And I'm just going to be doing about 4 ties around my hair. When you have thick or long hair, it takes a little bit more to kind of keep it secure throughout the day. And this is kind of what it looks like. I'm just going in with that comb and sleeking that hair back, giving it a more cohesive look. Alright, so with the silk scrunchie, I'm going to finish off that bun. And I'm just going to do a basic bun, nothing too crazy. As you guys can see, I'm just twirling it around. And that's what it looks like from the sides and from the back. Now I'm just going in with that silk scrunchie, cupping my bun, pressing it down so that it stays secure. And I'm doing about 2 ties around, securing it, feeling it. And this is what the end result looks like. I really like how it came out. And just to add a little bit more personality to the look, I'm going to take some of my hairs down from the side and just give the bun a little bit of a less professional, super sleek back, a little bit more on the natural side. Alright, so the finishing touch for this look is going to be the bobby pins. I usually do about 2 to 3 bobby pins on each side of my hair. So as you guys can see, I'm going in with a bobby pin there right where my bang ends to kind of secure it in its place, and just finding those areas in my hair where I feel like it needs more support. And for the other side, I'm just going to go in with about another 2 or 3 bobby pins, going on the end there where I feel like my hair needs the most support, and taking it all the way down to the end of my bun. And this is the final look, you guys. I'm really happy with it. It was super quick, super easy, and I only used water. This is what it looks like. So that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one.